5 reasons to become a network engineer. Number 1, variety of work. These fields offer an excellent balance between working with technology and working with people. You can sit behind a computer configuring routers and switches while also utilizing your creativity to design network diagrams. Second, job satisfaction. Solving people's problems and deploying new projects brings a great sense of satisfaction. Once you become a pro-efficient, you help people by resolving issues like a hero, which instills a sense of fulfillment in your work. Number 3, lifestyle and pay. Earning a 6-figure salary in networking is very possible. The starting salary can begin at 3 to 5 LPA, but with experience and regular skill upgradation, it can reach up to 50 to 100% hike per year. Additionally, you can choose to work either from office or remotely, or a blend of both home and office. Number 4, flexibility. The work environment is very dynamic. You can work inside the office or in data center. Plus, there is always something challenging in the job. Number 5, potential for growth. There is no better starting point than networking to launch a career in IT, as it offers limitless opportunity for advancement.